Hello John. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you why you shouldn't consider using white spaces inside HTML elements, and you should consider using writing very clean code instead of you thinking the white spaces you added will do you additional favor. So I know by speaking all this jargons I've said before won't make you understand what I mean. You will definitely understand more practically. So to do that, let's quickly open a folder here. Let's open up a folder here, and then we can name our folder white spaces. And then we can open up this folder inside our Visual Studio Code, which in my own scenario. But in your own case, you can use any text editor of your choice. I definitely want to close this up, and then I can just type in my index.html, hit on enter. Then I can close this sidebar and then Shift and 1 to bring out my basic document structure of HTML. Here inside my title tag, I want to change it to white spaces. Yes? Okay. So imagine we are writing a paragraph tag. We have a paragraph tag here, and then I just type in I love coding. Do you see how this paragraph tag looks? I just type I and space, just a single space, and then love, and then a small space, and then coding. Let me add another paragraph tag under here, and then I can just open up the tag, and I can just say I, then let me say plenty spaces, and then love, then plenty spaces, and then coding. And let me add another paragraph here, and then I will just give it more spaces, and then I type in my text content here, I love coding. Yes, you can see the first paragraph is written neatly, and everyone who see this know I reasonably write this one. And then you see the second one, which I spaced more. I added a little bit more of spacing here. These are called white spacing. And then you can see the third one with a lot more of spacing, then a lot more of spacing. So believe me, if you open this up inside your browser, all of them are going to be displaying same thing. Doesn't mean that they are going to be having any additional spacing. And for my own scenario here, if I click on Ctrl Save, it will automatically change the format to the way you see it in this first one. Because of why? I have one, extension Prettier here, which is installed, that will make my code neat and readable. But I believe most of you don't have it already installed. So if you save it, it's going to definitely look like this. But we are definitely going to be having the same answer inside our Visual Studio, inside our browser. Sorry, I failed to copy this, so I quickly copy part, and then I open it up inside my browser. Then you can see we have same thing, despite the fact that I added more spaces inside the other tags. If you definitely want to add spacing, maybe you want to add some space from the top or from the side to your HTML code, that should be easily done inside CSS. And for now, we haven't just started CSS tutorial, so I will be glad to see you there when this tutorial is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.